G'day, Total Scumbag RC. Wednesday night is practice night at WCM RC, West Coast
Yeah, when he
Model
overtakes,
RC.
take the other one.
Hey.
Nice save.
So this video is definitely just a whole pile of clips that I've pieced together over the past few weeks.
Yeah, straight. Go for the white one. It's coming up.
Wednesday practice nights. So at the moment on track here you got my little F1 and James in the 6S Dragula, I believe, following me. Very, very quick.
23.8.
Oh,
Did you get that on camera?
Yeah.
So I went through all the footage I had of the track over the past month basically. And I made an off-road video and a drag video. And now I'm making the on-road video, and I've renamed all the little clips I've made and then sorted by alphabetical order, and that's basically the order that we're going to see the clips today in this. So it's all a little bit random. There's going to be touring cars like this one. There's going to be Formula 1, VTA, a couple of trucks, whatever I could find really, eh? There might be a couple of shots of the Arrma Limitless on board. Not too much of it, I think. Pretty cool, 6S Arrma Limitless. Mate, let me put the camera on top of it for a bit. He didn't go super hard with my camera. Whee. And that's my little Roche Evo F1 on track. So he was being particularly careful not to kill me because he's about 3 times the size and probably more than that weight-wise. Bang. Collision. We'll get back to the proper racing cars soon. Oh yeah, the Limitless is good fun. If you want to come down to the track, you can run whatever you want on the track, really. Within reason and acting responsibly. I had to jump there. Woo. Alright, now we got some of the F1, my Roche Evo F1, bit of onboard action. Yeah, it's funny, you get quite a lot of onboard action, it seems quite a lot the same. Hey! So, I just sucked in like the accidents and just a couple of moments, try not to load the video up with onboard footage, even though it's super cool, eh? It's actually running sort of okay here, but I've been experimenting with new tyres. I've had a few accidents and actually caused a bit of damage, so it's in pieces now, but the Prez helped me out. He's rebuilt my rear axle, so next practice everything should be fixed up, should be great. And I picked up a little passenger leaf. Yeah, this looks like a VTA and a little mini, hey? Having a bit of a burn around together. You can bring your friends down the track, or you can come down the track and make friends. Either way, I'm sure you'll find someone to drive around the track with. This is some VTA action here. These guys dicing it out together though, you know, driving together. The vintage Trans Am class. So it's sort of relatively unrestricted. You know, it's definitely got rules, 21.5 turns and all this da-da-da, but you can run all these different chassis. You run standard wheels. Yeah, it looks like that's Chris's little Baja bug. You can see that out on the little wet weather video I made around here. But yeah, VTAs, it's one of the sort of newer classes. Hey, bit of fun cars. You can run any sort of American or Australian sort of muscle car bodies. No Japanese fancy ones. So now we switch. Yeah, here's some footage of my F1. So if I'm videoing it, pretty sure my mate Robbie's driving at the moment. He was having a shot the other night. It is a bit tricky when the track's so cold. These are cold, cold nights.
Another few laps, I've got to check the battery, I think.
Way!
Oh, fucking Hamilton's on the track.
You drove into me.
It wasn't Hamilton at all. It's a bit of a mix-up between the track and layouts and the tyre temperatures. No one's fault. Maybe there is some more on board, but I think it's accidents. Fairly soft landings in the grass. Yeah, this is like the big rig chucker at the end of the track. Don't ask me what I'm doing here. I guess I'm just scratching the shit out of the bottom of my car. That's what I'm doing here. Oh, jeez, I almost took him out. He's alright though. I've just let everyone know that he's alright. Here he goes, the truck class. There's a bit of interest in the truck class at the moment. Shout out to Albert. What a legend. He's just bought his truck. He's getting it running. Brendan's got one. Yeah, a whole pile of people at the club got trucks. I'm even thinking about getting one, but I'm not sure. What do we got here? So this looks like a bit of a low angle from the GoPro. So yeah, some VTAs running around the track. Yeah, it'll just cut to the footage as they come by a couple of times, I think. Camera's basically just been spun around there. She's right. You start seeing the Prez running his 1.8 Forest pan car, the little fluoro blue thing. So that'll zoom through a few times here. I'll show you the different video. Every time it comes by, it's a new lap, alright? I haven't repeated any of the footage. He's just on it. When there wasn't Formula 1 cars spinning around getting in his way. They're definitely sort of the kings of the track, I reckon. Oh, he was a bit slow there. There we go. Way, rip it, buddy, donuts. Legend. Performing for the camera. So yeah, this is just the other night, and I was having lots of problems with my F1. I was the wing was scraping along the front, and I was having problems with my front end, and actually turned out like my back axle was all shattered and ruined. So yeah, Nick's fucking helped me out. He's pulled it apart, replaced it, got it all sorted. So next Wednesday, my F1 should be way better. Just yeah, couldn't get it turned around the corner. It's basically just a hazard for old mate here in the touring car ripping around. You can sort of see that I just can't make it can't turn. Down in the big rig area. That's not where you take F1 cars.
Drivers, cars down enough to marshal, please.
You're going to be on YouTube, Gav. You're going to be on YouTube.
Yeah, you are, Gav. So that little white one, that's Gav, I guess. And this is some footage of my mate James down the track. He grabbed the camera. I'm probably over there eating a burger from the cafe. So if you come down on Wednesday nights, they've got the cafe open. Good food, cheap food. I love it. That's my dinner on Wednesdays. Thank you, Amanda, and everyone down there. Scott. Everyone else. You can see a beautiful day here in Perth. Beautiful skies. Oh yeah, the F1s are out. So as you just saw just previously, my F1's like having some issues. I'm either eating a burger or trying to fix that. Nice, chill F1 footage. I hope you're enjoying the video. Bit of a long one. Good one. One that's not particularly coherent, apart from it all being cars going around the track. So there's a little bit of coherency there, I guess. Resolution 2700 pixels or something, so I can zoom in on
20.9.
As we wrap up the track footage here, I was definitely eating a burger now, I remember it. I'm just down to the left, and I put the GoPro on the table. Just got a few shots of the corner at the end onto the straight. Hey, what are you doing here? This is an on-road well, Anyway, that's my actual race.
Nothing to it.
In this area at the back between the on-road and off-road tracks, we've got a proposed idea of a crawler area. So it's going to be better than just a muddy puddle and a pile of carpet. So yeah, if you want to get involved or come and contribute, let us know, or let a proper member of the club know and come down. Maybe you've got some crawler course in your backyard that your wife or partner or mum doesn't want you to have anymore. Bring it down and let's make something cool that the whole Perth community can use down at Bayswater, WCM, RC.
On the carpet.
For now, you're welcome to come down and drive in the puddle on the carpet. I think that's not even, we won't even charge for that, free. Have a great day. Total Scumbag FC.